Jack, I'm recording this. It's gonna be called Vacuum Cleaner Moments with Jack.
What?
This is gonna be called Vacuum Cleaner Moments with
Oscar,
Jack.
I honestly can't hear you.
It's gonna be called Vacuum Cleaner Moments with Jack.
Hear me in West 35 A2 balls. Deep, deep, deep.
I just don't.
in the next 5 seconds, or you will have diarrhea the next 5 days of the week. Oscar said the N-word.
I said anyway.
Hmm?
I said anyway.
Oh, okay. I thought you said the N-word.
What the hell? What the?
I'm running. Oscar, I need help! Oscar!
Jack. That was a good game. Great start.
Good game. Clip the chat.
Clip. Okay.
Clip chat. Clip chat.
I'm not even streaming. What the hell?
Oh my god.
I'm not even
Oh
streaming.
my
and you're
god.
so
Now there's a car alarm outside. Oscar, what's your dream YouTube goal?
1 mil.
1 mil? What a loser. You know what I wish for? 12 billion.
10 mil.
If I could just get the whole of China to subscribe to me right now, I could have like 12 billion subscribers.
I know. 12 billion.
Oscar, don't correct my math. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Where are we going? So, you've got to be very aware in this game, don't you? Oscar, I think you're gay.
Okay. And why is this? There's a golden prowler in the middle.
Next ring's not very close.
Well, I'll go take that.
No,
What's
I'm
the
gonna
prowler?
take it.
What's the prowler? What's the prowler? What's the prowler?
Alright,
Imagine I actually get it before you. Can you give me a chance to get it?
I got it.
No!